So I'm on my desktop now, and I've opened up my hard drive so I can see what's on it, and I've navigated to the photos that I want to use on this particular blog. Now you can see a lot of the images here are still named as they were named for my camera when I imported them, the DSC/number.jpg. That's how it was numbered, but that's really not going to help with my SEO because it really doesn't describe what it is or that it is related to the content that I'm going to be writing about. So you can see I already redid two of them. I'm going to show you real super quick. This is on a Mac. PCs are easy too. I'm going to click on it and highlight it, and I'm going to change that. So this is a picture of a scale that was used at the shrimping dock in Charleston, South Carolina. So I am just going to reword this so that it has a few keywords in it that relate to this part of the article and to the overall document. So the first thing I'm going to put is Charleston space or dash. If you're going to be technical, you would do an underscore. I tend to get a little sloppy with that, I'm going to admit. And then I'm going to think about what I wrote about this and put that into the thing. So I'm going to put old school and shrimp scale. There you go. Now this photograph's title is now optimized for SEO. That's all it is. It's just renaming it so it relates to the article and relates to the image. And you have it. Now I'm going to scroll over real quick and show you one other way of how to do this in WordPress that's also really quick and really efficient. So here I am. I've already opened up the back-of-house WordPress where I write the articles. And if you have WordPress, you already know this. So I'm just going to scroll down and click on an image right here. Now this one I already preloaded, so it has the old number on it, or the old name, not the new name that I want. So if you'll see I click on it, there's two things that come up. There's the delete button, which I don't want. I do like the image. And then over here, there's this little box that shows kind of a little mountainscape there. You're going to click on that, and that's going to open up a dialog box. And you're going to see you're on the tab that says Edit Image, and it gives you all of this. So title is what we just did on the desktop. Now we're going to do it here since I haven't done it on this image here yet. So I'm just going to type in what I want this to be. So again, Charleston, old school, shrimp boat, and we'll do photography. Actually, I'm going to leave photography off of that for now because there's a second part to this, and that's alternative text. Now if you're looking at HTML code, that will be ALT, will be the code. But here this does this for you. What this is this is for people that have a photo reader, and also if an image doesn't display properly, this text will come up and explain what was supposed to be there, as opposed to that IMG question mark or whatever they do. So we're going to play with that a bit. So I'm going to put photograph. I'm going to spell it correctly because that always helps. Taken in Charleston, SC of a scale on the shrimp dock. And then I'm going to update it. Now all that content is now in that image, so when the search engine searches for it, it's going to read that content as well as what's in your document and your title and all that jazz. And as you can see, what's nice about it is you can't even see it. You still get the fluid layout of your website, but all this extra content is now in your photograph. So I'm just going to click on every single photograph and update them, and that's it. Really simple, really easy, but a really powerful way to help your SEO. So I hope this helped.